Okay, people, I'm back today again because I want to share with you guys an update on the propagated Pothos and the Monstera, and also I'm combining this into a short food haul and just sharing whatever crafts I have out here. I'm just gonna let y'all see. But right now, I'm about to tell y'all about what's going on with this Pothos. See, the roots have already shot out in about 4-5 days, I believe. We got some kind of fungus looking stuff on this one. But see the roots? This is the pothos. It's 5 cuttings. And this one has a baby root right here. That one's right there. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the pothos cuttings. See how fast they root? And so I'm gonna have to find some kind of pot for these guys. Now I'm gonna share with you the Monstera roots. Okay, y'all, these are the Monstera roots. See how quickly they developed in about 4-5 days. It's 3 cuttings. Just 2 of them have 2 leaves on there. One of the roots are kind of broke, this one. But look how fast the roots are developing on here. In a previous video of mine, one of the roots on these things got big as a saber-toothed tiger. So the roots can really get big as you propagate them in water, where you can see them visually what's happening. So these are going to make some really nice plants. And propagation, for anyone that doesn't know, that means just cutting taking cuttings from your plant to get them to root so you can make another plant. That's all. Some plants are easier than others to propagate. Like these Monstera and the Pothos are very easy to propagate. You just got to cut them where you see the little bump, where you see a root growing, and then just put them in the water. Then after they root, then you just transfer them over to some soil. Potting mix preferably. There are other materials you can use to plant your plants in, but you just have to do your research. Okay, so this is the Monstera. Now I'm gonna put these. Put these back in fresh water. The Pothos and the Monstera. I'm gonna put them in fresh water. It's been a week. I'm gonna change the water. Okay, so now y'all see I still got my garden man out here supporting Black Lives Matter. And then over here, I got my own personal trove, because I showed a couple of my subscribers that trove was on their page. That little green pea looking guy that has several hundred names, that changes on a regular basis, and it follows me to different channels. And I don't know, it's weird, it's a virus. So I suggest you guys might want to report that thing, because the more reporting, the better it get, the sooner it'll get resolved. And I just threw some of these trucks out here. I just love color. I like all the little colors. So you see, I'm going to make colorful stuff. What else I'm trying to tell y'all? I'm sharing these daisies with y'all. It's still nothing but yellow. And also a little bit of news. Have you guys heard the white lawyer? Yeah, he's white. That's for the lawyer for the white guy. That's one of the 3 that was arrested. Is saying that the people in the crowd that was watching him with his knee on George Floyd's back should have stopped them from hurting and killing George Floyd. Now, if that ain't the ridiculous shit I ever heard in my life, what y'all think about that? The lawyer is claiming the people in the crowd should have stopped the police officers from hurting and killing George. Have you guys heard this news? If not, Google it, because that's some serious bullshit news right there. How the hell they gonna say the audience is audience, I don't mean audience, well, the crowd, the people in the crowd that was watching the shit going down should have stopped the police officers from killing George Floyd? Floyd. So if y'all agree or disagree, let me know in the comments, because that's some bullshit right there. How is that lawyer gonna claim that the crowd is at fault for George's death and not the police officers? Like, what does he think the police officers were going to do if they started rushing them to get them off of George's back? Shoot them, kill them? It would have been a bloody mess out there, a massacre. So that lawyer is out of his stupid effing mind. And I know I said he a white lawyer. Well, he is white. I ain't racist, so don't y'all be coming here talking about, oh, you Janita racist. I am not racist. I'm just telling you like a T.I. is. That man is retarded, and those cops is crazy as fuck. And now the people in the crowd, I guess y'all gonna lawyer up too, because they trying to say y'all at fault for the murder of George Floyd. So leave it in the comments what y'all think about this bullshit. And it's bees all over here, so I got to go. Bye. Before this camera. Oh, let me turn around and say hi right quickly for this thing. Turn on. Today, I have on my little summer hat because today, I hope I don't have this thing up close like I did yesterday, showing y'all all my 5 teeth all up in my mouth. Sisters, family, hey, how y'all doing? Today, it's going to be so hot out here in Southern California, up to 90 degrees or whatever. That's really hot. So I got my little sun hat on, and yeah, I just keep my little glasses on. But anyway, you have to protect your skin, people. I don't need any more wrinkles than I already have on this face. Hope you guys can see me, and I hope this camera ain't cut off. Well, Sister Jenny, I hope you enjoyed Garden Man and soon to come his family. And Carol, I see you checking out my videos. Holla. Jackie, you supposed to be calling me wet. Hope you're doing okay. Hey, Matthew, I gotta say hi to my nephew. And my other sister that's missing in action. All the rest of the family, how y'all doing? Hope y'all enjoying these little videos I'm making. Because remember I told you I'm blackball. So y'all are my only audience besides my faithful subscribers that do come and visit me, that enjoy what I do on my channel. And I appreciate each and every one of you, and all you guys new that come by, check out my little stuff. Thank you very much. It's great. I appreciate it. Yes, sisters, I got this hat on my big head, and it's tight because my head is bigger than this hat, and it's squeezing my brain. So I might say some crazy stuff in this video. Anyway, I hope this camera ain't cut off, because now I'm about to show y'all some stuff that I got from the store, because I don't want to make a separate grocery haul video. It's just 2-3 items I just want to share with y'all that I just got back. They got back in the store. I don't know if this angle is good or not, but if it's hot where y'all gonna be today, take care, stay hydrated, and stay in the shade. Find you a big floppy hat if you got one. Protect your skin. Use your sunscreen, whatever you do. But I'm going back in the house right now. As you can see, I'm on the balcony. But right now, I'm going to turn this camera around so y'all can see what I'm talking about, what I got from the store, okay? Hold on. Okay, my husband and I have been looking for this forever. When the pandemic thing was crazy, really crazy, they didn't have any of this. So we're happy to get this again, the vitamin C, emergency C. Good dose of vitamin C. If you ain't allergic, try it out. And then I found this seasoning right here, cilantro, lemon zest, and garlic. It's gonna be tasty on a bunch of dishes. Y'all tried this? Let me know. And if anybody has ever tried this, let me know in the comment section, because this is the first time I got this. I was looking for some sandwich bread. It doesn't have a lot of crazy stuff in it, but I'll do like a teaspoon or a tablespoon in my recipes, because I'm still on my diet, change of diet. I'm still losing weight, and I guess I'll just say inches. I'm still carrying on. I am still eliminating foods. I'm still incorporating certain foods back in my diet to see what's going to happen, and then if it makes me crazy, I eliminate it again or limit or I limit the amount that I use of that certain food item. But so far so good, because I'm never going back to the way I used to eat. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I probably ain't gonna see y'all for a minute because I'm working on the garden family and other things. I won't be back on here for a minute because I have to do some stuff around here and I'm crafting. So I'll probably be back with a crafting video next time y'all see me. So watch out for the troll. Stay cool, warm wherever you are. Black Lives Matter, and support the cause. And everybody be cool. Keep subscribing to this channel. Share these videos. Like. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and especially like. It helps you guys. It shows that you care, if you care. So I obviously have a lot of people come through that really don't care. Okay, my camera's doing this little thing, so I have to go now. Bye.